Good morning, friends. In the subject sports and yoga, today we will begin the chapter number 6, pranayam and its types. In this practical exercise, we will know the meaning and importance of pranayam and we will know the types of pranayam. So, what is the pranayam? Pranayam is the practice of breath regulation. It is a main component of yoga, an exercise for physical and mental wellness. In Sanskrit, prana means life energy and yama means control. The practice of pranayam involves breathing exercises and patterns. Now, importance of pranayam. The goal of pranayam is to strengthen the concerns between your body and your mind. According to research, pranayam can promote relaxation and mindfulness. It is also proven to support multiple aspects of physical health, including lung function, blood pressure, and brain function. Now, we will see the types of pranayam. Pranayam is Kapalbhati, Bhastrika, Anulom Vilom, then Brahmari, Omkar, etc. So, in Kapalbhati, we have to take breath first and slowly and steadily we have to remove that breath with the help of our stomach, with the movements of our stomach, like this. Then, in Bhasrika, we have to stretch or we have to just breathe the breathe hour. We have to control the breath and then slowly relieve the breath. Then Anulom Vilom. In Anulom Vilom, we have to breathe in by one nostril strip and remove that breath by another nostril strip. And after breathe by another nostril strip and remove it by one nostril strip, like this. Like this. So there are in Kapalbhati there are two types, slow Kapalbhati and fast Kapalbhati. Then in Anulom, in this exercise, Anulom is different, Vilom is different. Then Brahmari is like this. We have to close our eyes, then put our fingers on the eyes and put these thumbs into the into the ears, and we have to speak Omkara by keeping our mouth shut like this. We can practice this exercise every morning. So this was all about pranayam. Then pranayam, if we study in deep, there are Nadi Shodhan, Shitali, Shitakari, Ujjayi, Brahmari and Bhasrika. So these pranayam exercises give us strength and give strength to our body as well as our mind. Thank you.